Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Toaster Oven, model TO3215SS, has 5 cooking modes: bake, broil, air fry, toast, and keep warm. There's enough space for 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza. It uses convection oven technology to get the taste and the texture of frying without the oil. It's 11 inches tall, 18 inches wide, and 13 inches deep. It has a 60-minute timer. It comes with an air fryer basket, a baking pan and rack, and a crumb tray. The temperature knob sets the temperature and the cooking mode. The timer knob sets the cooking time up to 60 minutes, and there's a toasting knob for timed toasting. And it has a 2-year warranty.